155 Avon Drive in Hoffman Estates in the highly sought-after Haverford Place, the over 55 community. Let's take a tour of this beautiful home. You will love the open floor plan and the high ceilings in this beautiful home. The formal dining room has a sophisticated feel with the wainscoting and the Hunter Douglas window treatments. Glass doors lead you to the den with the bay window and the window seat. The second bedroom has a ceiling fan with light, crown molding, and a walk-in closet with organizers. The hall bathroom has beadboard wainscoting and a walk-in shower with bench. The Gourmet Kitchen has 42-inch cabinets with undermount lighting, granite countertops, a beautiful backsplash, stainless steel appliances. The lower cabinets have a pull-out easily to get to your appliances. And yes, let me not forget, we have a walk-in pantry. And you have a center island with granite countertops and outlets on each side. And here we have the spacious great room with the entertainment center with the custom glass shelves and the gas log fireplace with the electric start. And here we have the primary bedroom with Coffered ceilings and ceiling fan with two-way light. Attached is the luxury bathroom with double sink vanity with Corian countertops, a soaker tub, and a walk-in shower with bench, and the walk-in closet with custom built-in closet organizers. Let's go see what the lower level offers. In the lower level, we have a full English basement with rec room, a bedroom with a huge walk-in closet, and your very own bathroom. Roof and gutters in 2022. Windows 2014. Sump Pump 2019. Hot water heater 2016. Concrete driveway, sidewalk, new steps leading to entry in 2014. The battery backup and secondary pump 2016. The association includes a pool, clubhouse, and exercise room. You will love the proximity to the Arboretum, where you will find shopping, fine dining, and entertainment, and your close